And Ma'am, as we raise our glasses, may this wine be more than just a drink of celebration. May it remind you of the very first miracle of Jesus at the wedding in Cana, when Jesus turned water into wine, not just to save a party, but to save a moment of love, a moment of joy, and a moment of relationship. So in your own journey of marriage, well, even if I did not have a first-hand experience of marriage, there may be seasons when you feel like the wine has run out, when the joy feels faint, or life becomes too much. So in those moments, I do hope that you may find courage to always turn to Jesus as the couple in Pinagate through the kind of intercession of the Blessed Mary of Christ, our Mother. And may you never also forget her simple yet very powerful words, do whatever he tells you. Because if you listen to him, if we all listen to him, especially if you let him be part of your marriage, not just in joyful beginnings like tonight, but also in ordinary days and even in your own emptiness, he will always find a way to turn the water of your efforts into wine of grace and deeper love. So, here's to faith, to lasting love, and to miracles that happen when we let God live into our marriage. So everyone, may I ask everyone to raise your glasses. And to Sir June and Ma'am Fe, cheers!
Cheers! Yes, there you have it. Cheers, everybody. Thank you so much to a good friend of our group, Mr. Dale. Mr. Dale Camargo. A colleague of Sir Jude. Ayan. And to follow, ladies and gentlemen, the maid of honor's reply, please welcome, we have Engineer Katrina Belkira. Can we have some extra microphone, please, for the maid of honor, ladies and gentlemen? All right. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. I'm Kat, the maid of honor and the bride's soul sister. I've known her since our nana days until she turned into the strong, independent woman that she now is as well. So she has always been the type of person who will be there for you, no questions asked. Ma-stress ka, if you're magmawi ka or anything, naadyo siya kanunay. And I'm so happy that she found that person for her in the person of Kuya June. So sila June actually ang mag-prove na when it's meant to be, it will be. Kay their love story is very eccentric. Imagine, they met during the pandemic, miles away, kay si ate Ryan kinapa siya sa Denmark. Norway, ata na kay. And then another sa buhay si Kuya through Google Meet in an online class. And ang first meet up, kay katagikuhan ni Kuya June si Ate Fe sa airport. And yung first na gingon kay tambok ka man ka. And the proposal happened. Nga wala yung big event niya na hitabo. Wala yung big event kay si Kuya na sobrang ka-excited. Wala na siya nakapurma sa big event kay gusto na dahil siya mangingon ni Ate Darlene na mag-propose siya. Kaya gusto na dyan siya magpakasal silang duha. Wala na sila ka-extension. And now, 4 years later, here we are again.